stay in. Staircase!
Satellite coming down in 3, 2, 1.
When you think about cell phones, tablets, or any electronic devices that you own or possess, these gadgets probably run fully on electricity, and if you approach anyone in the campus or in the classrooms, the possibility of them having at least a smartphone with them is very high. Commonly, you can observe or see students playing with the gadgets, playing video games, or even updating their Facebook status. So, since almost everybody is using electronic devices or in his or her daily life, we figure out that it would be necessary to supply enough electrical power to these users, and thus figure out that electrical power would be a problem for these users, as a smartphone or tablet user would definitely run out of battery in a couple of hours, hence the constant need of recharging. Thus, we figure out that we should at least try to create or innovate something that aids to the power supply of these gadgets in the campus. The move is the result of this approach. For the first time ever, we as a group of mechanical engineering students have decided to venture or tread into this unknown territory of power generation. Utilizing our knowledge of electrical machines and applying concepts that we learned and studied in lecture classes, we have finally come up with a device which is green, environmentally friendly, and also practical. Besides that, this device will ensure enough exercise for students.
The Move acts as a recharging device that converts kinetic motion to electrical energy using generator principles. Firstly, the Move is proposed to be installed in the lecture hall and classrooms, such as the DK, and this is precisely located under each seat of the classroom. This is so that a student can charge their device while they are studying and sitting. By using the Move, our product, user will just need to press on the device using their feet in order to charge their electronic device. To explain in further detail, with each step, a force is produced, and this force in turn causes the whole pedal to move downwards, and as a result of that, this causes the rotation of the gears. And this rotation of the gear will in turn rotate the generator, which is connected directly. Electric current will then be induced, and the current will then be used to charge our built-in lithium battery, which will act as an energy reserve. And if the user connects his or her electronic device, the power from the lithium batteries will be used to charge up their device. Simple.
In our design, we stick to one firm principle, which is use recyclable materials. The Move has about 60% of components made from recyclables. The other 40% are components supplied by Bosch, which is the motor from the cordless drill, and also the bicycle free hub. The rest of the components are synthesized from recyclables. As you can observe from the prototype, we have used a variety of recyclables, such as unwanted aluminum plate which we scraped up from the mechanical lab's disposal bin. Besides that, these wooden plates are obtained from a broken shelf, and a couple of other such this plastic heart which obtained from a damaged trolley. Using a variety of these recyclables, the final product has somehow adopted to a unique design or structure. As most of these parts are handmade, even this connecting gear teeth, the outer housing of the products is inspired by scrap metals, cans and plastic border, which somehow gives a unique look.